Alright, I'm at Embassy Suites in downtown where Old Market is down there, and I'm gonna look at one of the ceiling fans they have. As you can see, there's no fans right there. It's interesting. Go inside. Here we go. I'm outdoor. I'll watch my step. There's the lobby. And as you can see, they have no fans in here. Fountain. These like lights there. There's a bar. This light there. More restaurant there. Go downstairs, and here's this whole area. This is the hallway, and there's no fans right there. There's a big Embassy Suites. There's a fountain right there. Here's the pool. Also, they don't have any fans there. What about the Embassy Fitness? There are no fans in there. That's the pool right there. There's one of the baños right there. And then there's some lights. There's that. Lights there. Look right here. Breakfast. And here is that's right there, no fans. And here's the breakfast cafe. No fans in here. Coca-Cola fountain right there. Hexagon lighting. And well, there are no fans at this hotel, so anyways, April Fools.